Today we're conducting a tutorial on using cabbage as a pH indicator.
In order to make the cabbage solution, we chopped up cabbage into tiny pieces, and we are now boiling to make a cabbage juice indicator. Red cabbage juice contains a natural pH indicator that changes colors according to the acidity of the solution. It contains a pigment molecule called flavin. Water-soluble pigment also found in apples and plums, and that turns red in very acidic solutions, a purple in neutral solutions, and a blue-green in basic solutions. And from the color change, it is possible to determine the pH of the indicator. So after boiling the cabbage, we are now going to filter it through a funnel with filter paper in order to get the purple indicator. Ooh. Which is going to take a while. So based on the acidity of the solutions we're using, lemon juice has a pH of 2, so we should expect a reddish color. Vinegar has a pH around 3, so we should expect a color between the red and the purple. Water has a neutral pH of 7, so we should expect the color not to change. And baking soda has a pH of 8, so we should expect a blue color. And the potassium hydroxide has a pH of 13, so we should expect a bright colored green. And acids will donate a hydrogen ion in an aqueous solution, and therefore will have a lower pH, and bases will accept hydrogen ions and have a high pH. The molecules act differently to positive ions or protons given off by the acid or attracted to the base, so the molecules change shape and can absorb light corresponding to different wavelengths, causing the different colors we should expect. So the color of the juice will change in response to the changes in the hydrogen ion concentration. So adding the lemon juice with a pH of 2, a very acidic solution, will change the indicator red. And then adding the vinegar with a pH about 3 will not be as bright red as the lemon, but should be about a pinkish color. Woo! Pretty. And then adding the neutral pH of 7 from the water should keep the purple color of the indicator. Pretty. And then adding the baking soda of a pH around 8, so a basic pH.
It was just a different scoop, but that's cool.
Should turn it a blue color. Bluish greenish. And then adding the potassium hydroxide with a pH of 13, so very basic, should make it a nice green color. And I said before, the acidity depends on intensity of the red color, and the alkalinity depends on the blue color for weak bases and green color for strong bases. So as a very acidic solution will be a red color, and a very basic solution will be a yellowish green color. So this shows all the colors on the spectrum for the using cabbage as a pH indicator.